Okay, let's unpack this. Imagine walking into a store where, I don't know, every interaction just feels perfectly tailored to you,
Hmm.
where the shelves are always stocked with exactly what you want, and the whole place just hums with this invisible intelligence. Sounds a bit like science fiction, right?
It really does. But what's truly exciting is that this isn't some distant dream anymore. It's actually emerging right now.
Really?
Yeah. We've got a fantastic deep dive today looking at sources that bring this whole vision to life. Our main focus is this LinkedIn post from Shish S. They're the global retail lead at Microsoft for startups.
Okay.
It's called Nine Startups, One Story, Building the Retail Store of the Future. It's basically a curated look at how nine really innovative startups are stitching together what they call an end-to-end story for retail's big transformation.
An end-to-end story. I like that.
Mm.
So our mission today is to sort of take you on a journey through these 9 companies. We'll pull out the key insights, from their own platforms, see how they're handling everything from hyper-personalization for shoppers, optimizing the shelves, the supply chains,
Projecting products.
right, product integrity, and using AI and automation to basically future-proof the whole operation.
And the big question we'll explore for you is how do these separate innovations actually connect? How do they form one,
Hmm.
powerful, cohesive vision?
Hmm.
We'll trace that narrative step by step, showing how they build this truly responsive, intelligent, customer-focused retail experience. It's more than just automation.
Okay, so to build this store of the future, I guess you first need to know what's happening outside the store, right?
No.
What are customers really thinking? What are competitors up to?
Precisely. This is where this next level AI-driven data intelligence comes in.
Right.
The core shift you see is moving from just reacting to the market to proactively shaping your strategy. Like one of these startups says, the goal is to act before the market.
Act before the market.
Yeah, you need intelligence that tells you not just what is happening, but gives you a real head start on what's going to happen.
So kicking us off in this market intelligence layer is Nimble. They talk about empowering business workflows to interact with relevant web data. Sounds like gathering lots of online info, but smartly.
That's a good way to put it. A key thing here is their knowledge cloud and online pipelines. This isn't just, basic web scraping.
Okay.
They use what they call agentic web search. Think of it like an intelligent assistant fetching targeted data at scale.
Ah,
For retailers, this means uncovering opportunities by getting insights from a holistic online map of your entire industry. It helps ground decisions in accurate, hypergranular data you can trust.
so knowing market trends, competitor prices.
Exactly. Optimizing displays, all based on real-time structured data from basically any online shop.
Wow. So it's like having this super smart eye on the entire internet, feeding your business the market pulse in real time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see how powerful that would be for making quick decisions, reacting to customer sentiment shifts almost instantly.
And building right on that comprehensive data collection, we have Tembi. They take the market foresight like a big step further.
Okay, how so?
They focus on turning billions of data points from online retailers into a single, simple view of your market. The aim is to help businesses spot growth opportunities before your competitors see them.
Before competitors see them. So not just what is happening, but predicting what will happen. That's huge. How does foreseeing sector and company growth actually work for a retailer?
Well, it gives them a massive strategic edge. Their market and analytics intelligence AI uses these sophisticated predictive machine learning models.
Okay.
They mention collecting over 5 million data points daily and using over 4 billion data points and 200 million parameters to train their AI.
4 billion.
Uh,
Wow.
Yeah. The whole goal is faster decision making, finding new market insights, using, pre-built dashboards and simple interfaces so it's easy to explore. Imagine knowing which products are about to trend or which competitor moves are working weeks or months ahead.
That's absolutely a game changer for any retailer. That kind of foresight allows for much smarter planning, making sure you're always ahead of the curve. It really sets the stage, doesn't it?
It really does.
Okay, so with that kind of market foresight locked down, the next logical step for our store of the future is transforming how it actually connects with customers. How do we make those interactions personal, dynamic, but also, importantly, brand consistent and trustworthy?
Yeah, that's a critical challenge. The question really becomes, how do you scale up genuinely tailored experiences without losing brand integrity or, consumer trust, especially with all the generative AI stuff happening?
Good point. So think about all the visuals retailers need, Product shots, ads, promotions. This is where Bria.ai comes in. They call themselves a visual gen AI platform for AI teams. What makes them stand out in this crowded Gen AI space?
Well, a really crucial aspect of Bria.ai is their focus on 100% fully licensed datasets.
Ah, okay. That's important.
Hugely important. It means anything you generate or edit with Bria is protected against copyright, trademark, and privacy risks. That's a major headache for enterprises right now.
Definitely.
They offer AI image generation and editing through over 30 specialized APIs. Things like tailor generation to tune models with your specific brand look, product shot editing to keep product images consistent but accurate, and ads generation at scale, making sure it's all compliant and on brand.
So it's not just making pretty pictures, it's doing it responsibly, quickly, precisely, and legally, making sure every visual aligns perfectly with the brand.
Yeah, that's a massive advantage for marketing, e-commerce, and just building that essential brand trust.
Okay, and for a really personal touch, particularly in, say, beauty and wellness, we have Hot.ai. This sounds like it goes beyond just images, talking about science-backed AI skin analysis solutions. That feels very intimate.
It is, and if you look at the bigger picture, Hot.ai delivers these hyper-personalized digital experiences that deeply resonate with consumers. Their AI skin analysis can evaluate over 20 skin health and beauty metrics with, they claim, clinical precision. It's trained on over 3 million data points for 98% accuracy across diverse skin types.
Impressive.
And then there's Skin GPT. That's their generative AI for hyper-realistic skin simulations. It allows for lifelike virtual skincare try-ons, visually showing the impact of ingredients or product claims.
Wow. Imagine seeing how a product might actually work on your specific skin. Maybe what your skin could look like if you used SPF consistently versus not right there on your phone or in the store.
Exactly.
So no more guessing if that expensive serum is worth it. You could almost see your future skin. That's huge for consumer confidence, especially in such a competitive market.
Absolutely. It builds trust through visualization.
And taking this kind of immersive, almost human-like interaction even further, Shish S's post mentioned DID. They create lifelike digital humans.
Yeah.
That sounds, well, fascinating. Maybe even a little bit surreal.
It does, doesn't it? Shish S describes DID as transforming engagement in retail, CPG, travel. These lifelike digital humans are powered by Gen AI, LLMs, avatars.
Right.
They can provide expertise, recommendations, support, 24/7, multilingual. Picture a virtual sommelier in the grocery store helping you pick a wine.
Or a flight concierge at the airport guiding you.
Precisely. It really pushes us to think, doesn't it? How do these AI humans change the whole nature of customer service, making it scalable but also deeply personal simultaneously?
That's a really powerful point. It means customer service could be always on, deeply knowledgeable, tailored to you, taking personalization and convenience to a whole new level.
Yeah, makes you wonder what customer service will look like in just a few years.
It's evolving fast. Okay, now let's step behind the scenes. You can have the most beautiful store, the most personalized experience, but it all falls apart if the products aren't actually there, or if operations are a mess.
Absolutely. This is where some serious operational intelligence and automation kick in to make sure everything runs like clockwork.
So first up here is OmniStream. They're tackling what they call the great chasm between sales strategy and in-store realities, offering AI-powered category management with store-level localization. What does that mean exactly, moving beyond cluster-based planograms?
Right. So traditionally, retailers might use the same shelf layout, the planogram, for maybe hundreds of stores grouped in a cluster.
Okay, yeah.
OmniStream enables truly individualized layouts. Instead of one planogram for 200 stores, each store gets a layout tailored to its unique customer base and local demand patterns.
Wow. Okay, so really specific to each location. That sounds incredibly data intensive.
It is, but the payoff is significant. They claim 5–10% in incremental sales and inventory reduction.
That's substantial.
Yeah, by providing dynamic planograms based on your chosen simulations and using AI-driven optimization for maximum profitability by store. They've got proof points, too, like managing 7-Eleven Philippines' entire network assortment rollout during the pandemic.
Wow.
And transitioning a Fortune 500 grocer from cluster planograms to true store-level planning in under 2 weeks.
Under 2 weeks. That's fast.
It is. It's about making every single inch of shelf space work as hard as possible for that specific store.
That's a huge improvement for managing inventory and keeping customers happy, making sure the right product is in the right place at the right time, reducing those frustrating out-of-stocks.
Precisely. Lost sales are a huge drain.
Okay, and what about the stuff that isn't selling well, that dead stock problem?
Yeah.
Udestry focuses right on this, optimizing sales of underperforming retail stock. Every retailer must face this,
Oh,
right?
no, absolutely. It raises a critical question. How do you tackle what they estimate is a massive USD 500 billion problem globally
500 billion, wow.
without just resorting to heavy discounts that kill your margins? Atme-Distry's AI solution redistributes unsold inventory based on real-time demand.
Redistributes it. How?
Well, it aims for higher sell-through, fewer stockouts elsewhere, lighter markdowns overall, and leaner operations across the whole network. Their platform lets clients define inventory types like dead stock, slow movers, fast movers, and set really sophisticated rules for moving it, even factoring in picking and packing costs and demand forecasts for other locations.
So instead of that stock just sitting there collecting dust in one store or getting written off,
Yeah.
the AI finds a new home for it where it will sell. That's incredibly smart. And sustainable, too.
Very smart. It turns a potential loss into an opportunity somewhere else in the network.
Okay, moving further up the supply chain now, especially for sensitive stuff. High-value goods. We have PAC-AFI. They focus on cold chain, managing temperature-controlled logistics for things like pharma or fresh food and other high-value cargo. That seems critical.
It's absolutely critical. A standout feature here is how they turn what's often data overload into insights and action for logistics teams.
Okay.
They offer logistics orchestration and decision intelligence. The key is preventing product loss and enabling instant trade-off decisions. Their PAXA FE for operations uses automated monitoring and risk analysis, consolidating data in an agnostic control tower.
Agnostic meaning it works with different systems.
Exactly. And crucially, it reduces waste with predictive intervention. Their Athena Gen AI specialist even uses conversational AI to model scenarios, answer questions.
Like a logistics chatbot.
Sort of, but much more powerful using an LLM agnostic recommendation engine. Imagine, a shipment of vital vaccines where every degree matters. PAXFE isn't just tracking, it's predicting and intervening before a problem happens.
It sounds like a guardian angel for sensitive shipments.
Yeah.
Making sure everything arrives perfectly, but proactively, not reactively, minimizing those costly losses.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a huge leap for supply chain reliability, for resilience.
A massive leap.
Okay, and then for seeing and sensing the actual physical world, automating daily operations based on that. We have Worlds. Their AI platform sounds, well, almost like sci-fi, enabling companies to see and sense the physical world in real time.
Yeah, if we zoom out a bit, the bigger idea is that Worlds creates AI models that index the entirety of your live environment, using existing video cameras and sensors with minimal human effort.
Indexing the live environment.
Exactly. They have applications everywhere: operations, safety, logistics, manufacturing, security. Think asset monitoring and tracking, hazard detection, product quality inspection, anomaly detection.
Oh.
Their patented geospatially aware tech allows AI applications to precisely locate or measure anything in physical space using standard 2D cameras.
So it's not just data and computers, but actually understanding the physical reality of a store, a warehouse, a factory floor in real time. That's like automating decisions at the most fundamental physical level. That could change how physical spaces are managed entirely.
It's potentially revolutionary for physical operations.
Okay, so bringing all these incredible pieces together, market insights, customer engagement, physical operations, you need a strong, intelligent backbone for the enterprise itself, right?
Absolutely.
This is where the last piece of our puzzle fits in, making sure the whole system runs smoothly, compliantly, efficiently.
Right. And that piece is SimpleContract. They provide an intelligent contract management platform for enterprise, offering what they call an artificially business intelligent CLM, being contract lifecycle management.
Okay.
They claim it helps you get an AI CLM that understands and acts on the words and business implications of every contract term.
Understands and acts. So AI that doesn't just store contracts, but actually gets what they mean and can trigger actions.
Yeah.
That's way beyond just document storage.
Precisely. They help protect your business value from leaking through the fine print across all your agreements. And the idea is to do it without needing hundreds of man-hours or thousands of dollars on law firms each week.
That's a big claim.
It is. Their agentic AI for CLM aims to make daily contracting much smoother. helping draft, de-risk, execute, report on contracts. They even say it can answer any contract question in seconds and spot risks or savings opportunities.
Wow.
And importantly, it integrates with the systems people already use: ERP, CRM, procure-to-pay, e-signature tools, making contracting simple for business users right within their workflow.
That sounds like a huge streamlining of what's often a really slow, complex, painful process, ensuring compliance, maximizing value from every deal. Yeah, that tackles a major bottleneck in the whole retail ecosystem.
Definitely. Contracts underpin everything.
So, okay, we've walked through these 9 impressive startups, each tackling a different critical challenge. How do they really weave together into that single powerful vision, that store of the future Shishesh talked about? What's the unified story here?
Well, the unified story is really one: comprehensive intelligence and seamless integration. You're looking at a retail environment where literally every touch point,
It's every single one.
pretty much, from the initial market insights and predictions driven by Nimble and Tembi, to the deeply personalized, responsible customer engagement using Bria.ai, Hot.ai, DID,
Right.
to the really intricate operational logistics, the inventory management powered by Omnistream, Ydistry, PacSci Worlds, and even the underlying legal and procurement stuff handled by Simple Contract. It's all infused with AI and automation working together.
So it's a store that anticipates demand before it even fully forms, crafts genuinely personal experiences, optimizes its own inventory automatically, secures its supply chain proactively, manages its business intelligence, its compliance, all in real time. It's like a living, breathing, intelligent ecosystem, constantly learning, constantly adapting.
Exactly. And it poses a really important question, doesn't it? For every retailer, every brand out there, are you prepared for this level of integration, this level of intelligence? Because this isn't just about adopting one new tool here or there. It's about building a fundamentally more resilient, more responsive, and ultimately, yes, more profitable retail landscape, where those missing moment stockouts, inefficiencies, misjudged trends start to become a thing of the past.
What a deep dive indeed. From AI predicting the market's future to AI sensing the physical store itself.
It's crystal clear the future of retail isn't just automated. It's truly intelligent. It's deeply integrated. It's all about building that resilience and capturing every single opportunity.
Indeed. And this vision, this store of the future, it's not just about the tech, is it? It's about fundamentally reimagining how businesses understand, engage with, and serve their customers, making sure every single interaction adds real value and drives sustainable growth. It's like retail, but reborn in a way. Retail reborn. I like that. So as you think about your next shopping trip or maybe your own business, here's a thought to mull over, something provocative. If AI can orchestrate an entire retail store end-to-end, connecting demand to delivery, experience to contracts, what other traditionally siloed business functions are just waiting for this kind of complete intelligent integration?
And thinking beyond just efficiency, how will embracing these interconnected AI solutions redefine not only commerce, but maybe the very nature of how we humans interact with the intelligent systems that serve us?
Definitely something to ponder until our next deep dive. Thanks so much for joining us.